CSS style sheet sample in JavaFX. Here you can see a CSS style sheet sample. This image contains two screen captures of the same UI controls, but with different CSS style sheets applied. The left screen uses the style sheet that defines the background color as gold and the UI control as a lighter gold. The font for the controls is a sans serif font in black. The two custom buttons are oval shaped and light gold color. The first button labeled accept in the green font. The second button is labeled decline in the red font. To the right of the buttons is a label not available. By contrast, the right screen uses a style sheet that defines a background color as light olive and the UI control as a medium olive. The font for the control is a Courier New font in dark gray. In this version of UI, the accept and decline buttons have both standard rectangle shape, but the border of the buttons is a dark gray and the font color is a medium green, and the labels fills the buttons with minimal space between the label and the edge of the button. The not available and progress labels have a dash line border around them. A font of a complete assessment of type of the one size and face includes caps, small caps and lowercase, punctuation marks as accent and commonly used symbols. It contains alphabets in Roman and italic capitals and boldface. Thus the Courier New typeface is 12 point size is the font, but Courier New is a typeface. Font and typefaces don't come with colors. The color is a function of the printing process. Sans serif and serif are contrasting styles, and proportional and monospace are contrasting styles. JavaFX cascading style sheet CSS provide the ability to apply customized styling to the user interface of JavaFX application without changing any of that application's source code. CSS can be applied to any node in the JavaFX scene graph and are applied to the nodes asynchronously. JavaFX CSS styles can also be easily assigned to the scene graph at runtime, allowing the application appearance to dynamically change. This figure demonstrates the application of two different CSS styles to the same set of UI controls. JavaFX CSS are based on the W3C CSS version 2.1 specification with some additions from the current work on version 3 and newer versions also. The JavaFX CSS support and extensions have been designed to allow JavaFX CSS style sheets to be passed cleanly by any compliant CSS parser, even one that does not support JavaFX extensions. This enables the mixing of CSS style for JavaFX and other purposes, such as HTML pages into a single style sheet. All JavaFX property nodes names are prefixed with the vendor extension of -fx-, including those that might seem to be compatible with the standard HTML CSS because some JavaFX values have slightly different semantics. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.